Hello, my name is Megan Truick, and in this video I want to talk about trust administration. And of course, I'm sure that your eyebrows just reach the back of your head because you're like, trust administration, Megan, what is that? Well, many of you know that when somebody passes away, you have to probate their will. And you know that probating a will can take as much from 5% to about 10% of your gross estate, the gross estate, before bills have been paid, before any taxes, if those are due, have been paid. The probate process costs that much. And therefore, that's not even counting the administration part of probating a will or probating an estate. Therefore, for many of you, you know that I love trusts. And I say to you all the time, make sure you get a trust. Put your property in a trust so you can avoid the probate process. Because if the probate process is going to take 5 to 10% of your estate and you have not even administered your estate, by the time everything is done, you could be totally depleted when it comes to what is actually there for distribution to your heirs. When it comes to administration, every estate has this bill that they have to pay. Whether you have a trust, whether you have a will, you still have to administer the estate. The estate has to pass out of the trust name, if that's what you set up, into your beneficiary's name, or passes out of the revocable trust into these separate individual trusts that you have. If you have specific bequests, you need those deeds, you need that transfer of that 401k plan or that annuity, whatever. That is the administration. So what exactly does a trust administration look like? First of all, when your loved one passes away, this is not the time for you to just run in and start doing estate planning, start looking what property am I gonna grab. I know that it happens because that's why we stay in business every day. People pass away and then people get greedy. Their true face starts showing, their fangs come out, and they're just out to get you and also get what they can. However, if this is not the situation that you're in, if the moment grandpa passes away, you don't have to run to the attorney's office, then I say to you, use the first week, 2 weeks to breathe. Be with family. Get to understand what the new reality that you're now faced actually looks like. Mom is now gone. What are my new responsibilities? Where would mom want to be buried? What plans did mom have set up? If your mom or dad came to the law office of Bryan Fagan, then I always include some kind of burial document with them, which explicitly lists what mom, dad, daughter, whoever wants. And I say make sure that you honor your parents, your loved ones' plans. Because if you don't honor those plans, you could be looking at a later lawsuit. In fact, as you know, Texas has it so that the spouse has the paramount right to the body. And I've seen a lot of parents after their child passed away come in, strong arm that spouse, takes possession of the body to dispose of how they choose. I just want you to know, you must fight the urge. Work with that spouse to properly put your loved ones to rest, because I don't want after you bury your loved ones or during planning for that burial, you have an active litigation case. So after you deal with the burial, then during that time, as you're going around the house, as you're going through life, do an inventory of what's happening. That's when you're going to look at the mail. Where's the mail coming from? Are these bills? What are the automatic payments coming off those bills? What are the automatic payments set up through their cell phones? That's some of the things that you can get some handy information. What should be on the inventory? Then you want to look, if they have a home, go to the county tax records. What are the properties that's in their name? What's on the deed? Then you want to get 5 to 10 death certificates, because if there's life insurance, they're going to need a death certificate. The bank is going to need a death certificate. If you're going to the attorney's office, they're going to need the death certificate. And then you want to collect the documents, find yourself an attorney, because you will have things to transfer. You will have notices to file. You'll have creditors to deal with, and you don't want to walk this road alone. Get yourself an attorney and have them walk you through the administration of this trust. My name is Megan Truick, lead estate planning attorney here at the law office of Bryan Fagan, where we're happy to announce that we do administer trust, and we would love to help you do so. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.